Hello everyone and welcome to Daily English Q&A for Beginners. I'm Michael and I'm really excited to be here with you today.
And I'm Sandy. We're so glad you're joining us. This podcast is all about helping you, our wonderful listeners, practice your English, especially if you're just starting out at the A1 level.
That's right. We'll ask simple questions, give simple answers, and then you can try to answer too. The best way to learn is to speak, even if it's just to yourself. So let's jump right in with some basic questions, Sandy.
Sounds perfect, Michael. Let's do it. Listeners, get ready to repeat and practice. Our first question is a very common one. What's your name?
My name is Michael. Simple, right? You can also say, I am Michael. Now, Sandy, what's your name?
My name is Sandy. And for you, listening at home or on your commute, what's your name? Try to say it out loud.
Excellent. Okay, next question. Where are you from? Sandy, where are you from?
I am from Canada. And you, Michael, where are you from?
I am from the United States. I live in a big city. So for our listeners, where are you from? Are you from a country in Europe? Or Asia? Or maybe South America?
Great practice. Now, let's talk about where we live. Michael, where do you live?
I live in New York City. It's a very busy place. How about you, Sandy? Where do you live?
I live in a small town. It's very quiet. So listeners, where do you live? Do you live in a big city or a small town?
Perfect. Let's move on to daily life. Sandy, what do you do? Are you a student? Or do you work?
I am a teacher. I teach English. It's a fun job. And you, Michael, what do you do?
I am a writer. I write stories. So, for everyone listening, what do you do? Are you a student? Or maybe a doctor? Or do you work in an office?
Remember to keep your answers simple, like, I am a student or I am an engineer. Okay, Michael, let's think about hobbies. What do you like to do in your free time?
In my free time, I like to read books. I also like to go for walks in the park. It's relaxing. What about you, Sandy? What do you like to do?
I like to listen to music, and I love to cook. Cooking is my hobby. So listeners, what do you like to do in your free time? Do you like to watch movies? Or play sports? Maybe paint?
Great suggestions. Let's talk about family a little. Do you have any brothers or sisters, Sandy?
Yes, I do. I have one brother. He is older than me. How about you, Michael? Do you have any siblings?
I have two sisters. They are both younger than me. So what about you, our listener? Do you have any brothers or sisters? You can say, yes, I do. I have one sister, or no, I don't.
Excellent. Now, let's talk about a very important part of our day, food. Michael, what do you usually eat for breakfast?
For breakfast, I usually eat toast and coffee. Sometimes eggs. It's quick and easy. What about you, Sandy? What's your usual breakfast?
I usually eat yogurt and fruit for breakfast. It's healthy. So listeners, what do you eat for breakfast? Do you eat cereal? Or maybe bread and cheese?
Good. And how about lunch? What do you usually have for lunch, Sandy?
For lunch, I often have a salad or a sandwich. Simple things. What about you, Michael?
I usually have a sandwich or some leftovers from dinner. It depends. And for our listeners, what do you usually have for lunch? Do you cook or do you buy your lunch?
Great questions. Okay, let's talk about the weather. What's the weather like today where you are, Michael?
Today, it's sunny and warm where I am. It's a beautiful day. How about for you, Sandy? What's the weather like today?
Here, it's a bit cloudy, but still nice. Not too cold, not too hot. Listeners, what's the weather like where you are right now? Is it raining? Or is it cold and snowy?
Good job. Now, thinking about seasons. What's your favorite season, Sandy? Spring, summer, autumn, or winter?
My favorite season is autumn. I love the colors of the leaves and the cooler weather. What's your favorite season, Michael?
I really like summer. I enjoy going to the beach and spending time outdoors. So what about you, listener? What is your favorite season, and why?
That's a good extra challenge. Try to say because, and then give a reason. Even a simple one, like, my favorite season is summer because it's hot.
That's a perfect tip, Sandy. Okay, let's talk about time now. What time do you usually wake up, Sandy?
I usually wake up at 7 o'clock in the morning. It's a good time for me to start the day. What about you, Michael? What time do you wake up?
I usually wake up at 6:30 a.m. I like to start my day early. So for our listeners, what time do you usually wake up? Do you wake up early or late?
And how about going to bed? Michael, what time do you usually go to bed?
I usually go to bed at 10:30 p.m. I need a lot of sleep. What time do you usually go to bed, Sandy?
I usually go to bed around 10 o'clock. I like to read a book before I sleep. So, our listeners, what time do you usually go to bed?
Good, good. Let's practice some descriptions. What's your favorite color, Sandy?
My favorite color is blue. It's a calm color. What's your favorite color, Michael?
My favorite color is green. It reminds me of nature. And for our listeners, what's your favorite color? Is it red, yellow, or maybe purple?
Nice one. Okay, let's try something different. What kind of music do you like, Michael?
I like pop music and rock music. I listen to it when I'm working or driving. What about you, Sandy? What kind of music do you like?
I like classical music and jazz. It's very relaxing. So, what kind of music do you like, listener? Do you like country music or hip hop? Say it out loud.
Excellent! You're doing great. Let's try to describe things more. Sandy, do you have a pet?
Yes, I do. I have a cat. Her name is Luna. She's very playful. Do you have a pet, Michael?
No, I don't have a pet right now, but I would like a dog someday. So for our listeners, do you have a pet? Do you have a cat or a dog? Or maybe a fish?
Good question. Pets are wonderful. Okay, let's talk about weekends. What do you usually do on the weekends, Michael?
On the weekends, I usually relax. I watch movies, meet friends, and sometimes visit my family. It's a nice break from work. What about you, Sandy? What do you usually do?
On the weekends, I like to go for long walks in nature. I also visit my parents and cook special meals. Listeners, what do you usually do on the weekends? Do you go shopping? Or do you stay home and relax?
Wonderful. These are all simple questions, but they help you practice everyday English. Remember, practice makes perfect. Let's try a question about travel. Sandy, where would you like to travel?
Oh, that's a fun one. I would like to travel to Japan. I want to see the beautiful temples and try the food. What about you, Michael? Where would you like to travel?
I would like to travel to Italy. I want to see Rome and Venice and eat all the delicious pasta. And you, our listener, where would you like to travel? Is there a country you dream of visiting?
Try to say the country's name and maybe one thing you want to do there. Like, I want to go to France to see the Eiffel Tower. It's great practice for short sentences.
That's a fantastic idea, Sandy. Let's talk about something a bit more personal, but still simple. Sandy, what makes you happy?
Spending time with my friends makes me happy. And sunny days make me happy too. What makes you happy, Michael?
Good food makes me happy, and finishing a good book makes me very happy. What about you, listener? What makes you happy? Think of one simple thing.
And on the other side, what makes you feel a little sad sometimes, Michael?
Long rainy days can make me feel a little sad. I prefer sunshine. What about you, Sandy?
Being very busy all the time can make me feel tired and a bit sad. I like quiet time. Listeners, what makes you feel sad sometimes? Maybe bad news? Or being alone?
It's important to talk about feelings too, even simply. Okay, let's try a question about shopping. Sandy, what do you like to buy when you go shopping?
I like to buy clothes and books when I go shopping. I love looking for new things. What about you, Michael? What do you like to buy?
I often buy electronics, like headphones or a new phone. I also buy groceries, of course. For our listeners, what do you like to buy when you go shopping? Do you buy food or gifts for family?
Fantastic! We've covered a lot of ground today with very simple questions and answers. Remember, the goal is to speak, even if you make mistakes. That's how we learn.
Absolutely. Don't be shy. Try to repeat our answers and then give your own. You can pause the podcast, say your answer, and then continue. It's like a mini conversation.
Yes, that's a great tip. And remember, all these questions are very common in daily English conversations. Mastering them will give you a strong foundation.
We hope you enjoyed practicing with us today. We'll be back soon with more daily questions to help you improve your A1 English skills.
Keep practicing, keep speaking, and don't forget to have fun. Thank you for listening.
Goodbye for now, everyone.
See you next time.